This needs to be aired out publicly. And we need to hear this debate. And what we're getting is a Zoom thing, just like right now, as we speak, there's another Zoom meeting of the board. But go on to the next. SoFi Stadium. Next one. Dodger Stadium. Last but not least, Staples Center. All of these places, people are congregating shoulder to shoulder, screaming at the top of their lungs without masks. And yet, last but not least, this board today is declaring that they cannot safely proceed with a board hearing. That is utter nonsense. It's a violation of the Brown Act. Everything they're doing is a violation of the Brown Act because they're deliberately excluding the public from participating fully in airing all of the motions and all the decisions that the board is making, which are being made behind closed doors, behind plexiglass, and you don't really need to know why. And this is what's going on right now. So you explain why that's okay, but they're saying that they can't safely do a meeting in public at the Hall Administration. In fact, I have one supervisor who has never attended a board meeting in public, Supervisor Holly Mitchell. If you notice here, it's Mark Ridley Thomas on the screen. So something's going on, something's rotten, and we need to fix it.